Out of many, there's one DJ Kenny. Bodies.
Yeah, man, you don't know, you know. Life is stressful. We got to learn to relax, you know. Yeah. Smile is a special gift. You got to learn to share it. Cause once you do, it multiplies.
DJ Kenny.
Well, actions speak loud, words are empty. Take a stand and be firm, your belief.
DJ Kenny uptown.
Promises fulfilled, good characters are built. We are judged by what we say, what we do. Wear a smile on your face, and it will radiate around you. Wear a smile on your face, and it will radiate around you. Yeah. Well, if the life is rough, there's not much to smile about. But what's the use in walking around, screwing up your face? Yeah, man, you don't know, you know.
DJ Kenny.
Life is stressful. We got to learn to relax, you know. Yeah. Smile is a special gift. You got to learn to share it.
DJ Kenny, man, know Sarah Spurda, KK King Alpha. When me da Zion.
Yeah. Well, actions speak loud, words are empty. Take a stand and be firm, your beliefs. Promises fulfilled, good characters are built. We are judged by what we say, what we do. Wear a smile on your face, and it will radiate around you. Wear a smile on your face, and it will radiate around you.
Send yourself to the Times Hotel, representing for DJ Kenny.
It's rough, there's not much to smile about. But what's the use in walking around, screwing up your face? Brush it off with a smile, yes. Give your face a rest. Just a little joke sometimes and laugh at yourself.
DJ Kenny.
Wear a smile on your face, and it will radiate around you. Wear a smile on your face, and it will radiate around you. You.
DJ Kenny, you hear the mix out?
So me nah lose my sanity for vanity, no friend for anything.
DJ Kenny the good and
so them can't use nothing to catch me whenever you hear me sing. I'm from me yard to the top of the chart, and that's why we hail the king. Cause Jah give me everything.
No for them do anything for money, anything for iron, anything for claim, so they must step up in our life.
Jah give me everything. So me nah lose my sanity for vanity, no frightened for anything.
Yo, DJ Kenny.
So them can't use nothing to catch me whenever you hear me sing. I'm from me yard to the top of the chart, and that's why we hail the king. Cause Jah give me everything.
No for them do anything for money, anything for hype, anything for claim, so they must step up in our life. Them do anything for go trim, anything for Nike, anything for social media, anything for greater like. And them do anything cause them claim, so that it's all about survival. Anything is like a money, you're the mind. Like the world is getting sick cause everybody want go viral. The meditation, it's a primal. Hey, no for them stand up for nothing, it's like them on a spinal. No, them on an arrival, they make cripples, we make tidal. Try to kill the spirit, but we have the revival. I know bad mind, I kill them, call that the reprisal.
Jah give me everything, so me nah lose my sanity for vanity, no frightened for anything. So them can't use nothing to catch me whenever you hear me
secretary. I push the pounds, tell me if the keys necessary. You see it. Now them end up in a day cemetery. Them do anything for live and hard, look up a cherry. Them will go extra hard, for live extraordinary for days. Saint Laurent, Prada, Burberry. Any means them Christmas off merry. So them end up flash out December, then rock January, then end up in a trouble with the constabulary seat. Now them living off of them commissary, cause you can't make no salary, no sanitary.
Give me everything, so me not lose my sanity for vanity, no frightened for anything. So you can't use no go for catch me whenever you hear me sing. Up from me yard to the top of the chart, so me have the king. Cause Jah give me everything.
DJ Kenny the good and amazing.
If I got to be a hypocrite to be your friend, me no need you. It's not my intention to massage your ego. Only the truth set us free so that me and feed you. It's not my intention to massage your ego. If it's a yes man you want me to be it, better me leave you. It's not my intention to massage your ego. Blind and still have another blind and lead you. It's not my intention to massage your ego. Tell them a spade a spade. No fear said no one with them dirty ways. Watch them a shoe but me no grace. Still no impress me, no amaze. When you talk about fabrication, them is that. Love pretend to be who them is not. To them know them not alright. Them only have one life. If I got to be a hypocrite to be your friend, me no need you. It's not my intention to massage your ego. Only the truth set us free so that me and feed you. It's not my intention to massage your ego. If it's a yes man you want me to be it, better me leave you. It's not my intention to massage your ego. Blind and still have another blind and lead you. It's not my intention.
When I'm in the ghetto and I used to suffer, nobody know about my bread and butter. Now I'm flying high in the sky. Watch my laughter, they don't cry. Party life, and I living on my party life. Party life, it's a party world. Party life, and I living on my party life. It's a party life, living in a party world. Whoa, tell it.
Hey Josh, me fragrance expensive, beast them expensive. Me not just a bar because the world know me spend big. The party life me live, you can see through your lenses. The ice and the fake, me not dealing no enses. Them think me did go stop me party license not suspended. And anyway me stop me make the party get extended. Enjoy yourself, daily ranking recommended. King Kong make them know say the party not ending.
Party we a party straight to the max. No miss a man coulda never top me flap. Party we a party straight to the top. Champagne popping and nothing can flop. Party world. Whoa, hey, I gonna call up my party girl. Hey,
call up one of you.
Sweet for Ragga. Yeah. I'm a Ragga muffin soldier. Yes, I came, saw and I conquer. I see you puffing like monster. But I'm a rebel, not a pushover. Thinking this is a game, you should have think twice. Ragga will put you down on the ice. Pass in your place, which is not right. Ain't gonna let you crucify me like Christ. Ragga will press the trigger, call the grave digger, put you in another place. Ragga is not a murderer, just a self-defender, defender of his flesh and faith. I'm a Ragga muffin soldier. Yes, I came, saw and I conquer.
You're the mix
I see you puffing like monster. But I'm a rebel, not a pushover.
We set the trends and they can't be pleased. No. Judgement day come, everybody want feel free. Treat them style, then they can't live free. Cause that can't sit well with me. Man, I become more like a woman. How we a be a pants under them bottom. Who no bleach at a whoop, that a them fashion. Who wanna behave like Rossman. So who nah no man, some of them gone too tie. You no see it so ya that them enjoy. And what that them a preach. Future children them want misleading. People need fasting and prayer. These are the last days where people worship.
Baby, if you give it to me, I'll make you reach 1,000 degrees. Yeah, yeah. Baby, if you give it to me, I'll fulfill all your fantasy. Yeah, yeah. If you want it, I got it to make you feel so good. I've got the steel, I've got the remedy, I've got the tool. Hey, noise of fire. I dim the lights, them in the room to let you wine fast and slow for me. I take it to the moon, baby. If you give it to me, I'll make you reach 1,000 degrees. Yeah, yeah. Baby, if you give it to me, I fulfill all your fantasies.
Somewhere DJ Kenny uptown.
Get them, Kenny.
DJ Kenny, bang it.
Let's sail away somewhere they cannot find us. Exploring your body, a designer's finest.
DJ Kenny, you know it got already in a Moscow represent.
Get them, Kenny.
Send us up to the Titans Cartel, representing DJ Kenny and the
Let's sail away somewhere they cannot find us. Exploring your body, a designer's finest. Personally priceless, the right movement I left. You're out of town, me say GPS the address. The Orchid needs special attention. Her features calms demons and devils, and knows just how to turn all the levers to excite the blood rushing heavy to the sneakers. 10 out of 10 when she bounce to the steamers. Ginjah ablaze, imagine all the features. Natural as she born, body type is a teacher. She makes me fly without any visa. Spiritually connected, we're putting up all the vision. Left beside my right hand, supporting every mission. As people change, she never distort the vision. Dudsymil is all over obsession. Satisfy my soul, don't lose control. Satisfy my soul, don't lose control. Satisfy my soul, don't lose control. Satisfy my soul.
Get them, Kenny.
I wanna go to a place where no one can find us, yeah. Away from the world, I wanna be with you. No one can make me feel like you do. Take me away, satisfy my soul.
Satisfy my soul, don't lose control. Satisfy my soul, don't lose control. Satisfy my soul, don't lose control. Satisfy my soul.
Tell me how you know so. When to ring my phone up, it's a connection with the own. Yeah, me love to see your focus. So yeah, you haven't been around much. Girl, take all your time when you're ready for the owner. Listen me proposal, dress up in a clothes and tell you to come over.
DJ Kenny make them know Sarah's murder KK King Alpha. When me da Zion, now me dey on the battlefield, ready for Messiah. DJ Kenny, music by 90s, my life.
Tell me how you know so. When to ring my phone up, It's a connection with your own, yeah, me love to see your focus. So yeah, you haven't been around much. Girl, take all your time when you're ready for the owner. Listen me proposal, dress up in a clothes and tell you if you come over. Me we send the chauffeur, tell me if you want. Me pull up personally, yeah, you know the scene it cause windows down. No, never been no rose, because the city where we grow, yeah, keep your pint toast. Me love to see your pint toast. The best thing in our life, made us happy for the round you. Girl, you put me in a vibe, just so I see for your size. One go deep in your mind, like I told you. Proper for my soul, so make me hold it down and me lick the Mariposa. Me just want you agree. Me no look for you no long, me no see. Pull up bluntpio.com for your G. Anything where you say, me love to give you what you want. Me say me want you agree. Me no look for you no long, me no see. Pull up bluntpio.com for your G. Anything where you say, me love to give you way. Give you what you want, give you what you like. Anything you say me up if you oblige. Just to make you smile, me will if I call till it's up my wild. Yeah, you know the style, check your profile, Gemini. Wear it with a batch, forever with a such. When me gonna giant lodge, giant church. Till you say me up to find words in her. Every little thing what the under your earth, you are one of them. Can you tell, pick up your chest, love yourself. More than any other body will, nothing else. No matter than your ornaments. Tell me leave is the secret, believe me.
I'm not from outer space. They call me one blood, cause the blood run through my vein. They wonder how I maintain. Sing some collaboration, make some move and start a wave. Tried in these streets for a long time. Me burn away last borderline. Them charge me for police shooting, want to give me time. Illegal firearm, but it wasn't mine. This is the truth coming from my mind. 85 and 100, them have to shine. Me I send reggae music to the pipeline. It's time me commit the biggest crime. Truer than a contract when me never sign. Hey, oh, I'm not from outer space. They call me one blood, cause the blood run through my vein. They wonder how I maintain. Give them collaboration, make some move and start a wave. Tried in these streets so long time. Man away last borderline, them charge me for police shooting. Want to give me time, cash up a country, go the banks back in command of mine. Trod in the streets so humble. Big up river, garden matches, lane and jungle. They will never see me stumble, Rasta break down walls, Jericho crumble. Hey, oh, I'm not from outer space. They call me one blood, cause the blood run through my vein. They wonder how I maintain. Sing some collaboration, make some move and start a wave. Tried in these streets so long time. Man away last borderline, them charge me for police shooting. Want to give me time. Illegal firearm, not it was a man. I see you back to one train line. That I know bed, you know I'm not. Some as I for the show, yes, they my fish eye. You know the whole of Jamaica, yes, they know I'm mine.
Outside, away outside. On the ground with the big bad song. Headphones to the plane ride. Fresh herb when the plane touch down. Living the dream in a real life. Bright lights in a brand new town. Step away from the madness. Cause the youths nowadays don't play. Watch the government badness. Blue suit, them will kill the same way. If you seen what I've been through. In the land where the good die young.
DJ Kenny, bang it.
My garden is so fresh. My family is so blessed. Hard work brings progress. I'm grateful, oh yes. My actions speak so loud. Do me thing, make mama well proud. Now we been through the worst, no doubt. Now we counting the wins from humble beginnings. Now we counting the wins from humble beginnings.
It means Sabra from the humblest of places we are tried from down. How we say where we are coming from?
Jamaica, jam down, jam rock yard. The map small, but are we in charge, right? Yeah, so we there. Reggae music we say. It no matter where me travel to yard, me not the way. We have the rivers, have the best food of the beach. We have the fruits, we have the apple of the beach. Well, leap on the different races, but we live as one to celebrate the heritage that we plan. Military man. Jamaica, reggae music leads the way. Descendants of AFRICA, we are brothers and sisters same way. Again Jamaica, reggae music leads the way. Descendants of AFRICA, we are brothers and sisters same way. First thing we have to big up the continent. Africa, you give us the confidence. All nation have to come for strength. So mama Africa, we give you a lot of compliment. Jamaica island, something about it. The most high bless us, no doubt about it. But Marley catch a fire, no one can out it. If you love reggae music, let me hear you shout it. Jamaica, reggae music leads the way. Descendants of AFRICA, we are brothers and sisters same way. Again Jamaica, reggae music leads the way. Descendants of AFRICA, we are brothers and sisters same way.
Gonna give thanks to the Most High Jah.
Yes, sir.
DJ Kenny Mix
Look on the way that we are living. Still give thanksgiving.
Gonna give thanks to the Most High Jah.
DJ Kenny,
yes,
big tune we send. I'm gonna say DJ Kenny. What am I talking about? The king of fire.
Look on the way that we are living. Still give thanksgiving. In times like this, Jamaica really need you. Yeah. The devil come and him deceiving. Careful what you're giving and receiving. In times like this, Jamaica really need you.
DJ Kenny the good, amazing.
Is Jam will stand by me, yeah. Set up on this highway, you die for we. Oh Jah, can you set I free? Yeah. Things and time gonna change.
DJ Kenny Uptown.
I will forever love you, Jah. Forever love you, Jah, Jah. Things and time gonna change. I will forever love you, Jah. Forever love you, Jah. In my going out and my coming in, Jah, you got me sign. Tell me now, all them make business, flip and steal all me eye. In a you, Jah, hear me glorify. Not that big thanks to them, me die. Not I'm try. One day, I know I'm gonna lose it. When them a talk, me no respond. Spot evil far from a distance. The one that hotter than a piston. No, me see that them a piston. But if you not red and no response to the most of you, man, I give thanks. Them get man cross like pedestrian. And the most of you, me a best fan. Things and time gonna change. I will forever love you. Forever love you.
Oh yeah, Baba, you're not here, so you feel. You're not here, you will feel. See that them knocky, me knocky. We make out a concrete. We make out a steel. So now where they start going to settle. Oh yeah, why. Oh yeah, Baba, you're not here, so you feel. You're not here, you will feel. See that them knocky, me knocky. We make out a concrete. We make out a steel. I tell you, you're not here, you will feel. You can't hear, you will feel. See that them knocky, me no one move. We make out a concrete. We make out a steel. Say him real braver. Nah, do no listening, him not take no talk. Him say food, it a the stuff. Anyway, the food they ready fi pop it off. Him and the boss, sit down a bus now. Now listen to the voice, we tell him not just the boss. Enough boss rich, enough for you scruff. Plane get lower than the thing them ship off. Him say my little bit, you know it's just a mass. 1, 2, 3 and the whole of that sell off. But the feds get tip off. So now them lock him down a hell. So me for him they a loss. I tell you, you can't hear, so you feel. You can't hear, you will feel. See them lock him in a jail. We make out a concrete, we make out a steel.
Oh, me fi move it, me no make it step. When them take it right, me say me take it left. Don't man don't cut and up and made a rest. You know she say them not ready yet. Them a whole a bag when me a meditate. Light like a feather man a heavyweight. Food in a pot and in a every plate. Up a giant man a elevate. Lord, yeah, my rock, you are my refuge. Make me so like an eagle.
Out of many, there's one DJ Kenny.
Lord, yeah, my rock, you are my refuge. Make me so like an eagle. Take me to higher level. This the climb. The road is rocky. Can't seem to find no other way. The way is you, Lord. Every day we're crying, losing loved ones everywhere. Some people go about their business like they don't care. Hey.
When it's say blood money, them probably want to come for me. Suppose me tell you about Siaga and the CIA. And what they use to destabilize the economy. And who they set the order bringing guns at Tivoli. April 22nd, 1978. Jacob Miller, Bucky, Marshall, Clady, pan a stage. Marley call out Manley and Siaga, them say pace. But beg you pre them face, and then go check the dates. Not even a year after, in a 79. The murder Clady must up shot him 40 times. 1980s wild, me tell you in a March. The murder Bucky and New York, Jacob they did not crash. Now what to tell you, we happen May 11 find your best up, them we kill you. But the message we no give up, me say nothing no ship up. To slip up, them a lip up with the things where them a keep up, is a stick up. I know they not gonna teach you this at school, no. Oh, you don't know what so Jamaica rule, no. And anytime you try to make a move, yo, it gon' be like you have something to prove, yo. You coulda graduated and set your future. And still I see you look out for the shooter. If you a woman, you a get abused, you know she say nothing, no they fi do, no. How much you owe the IMF, huh? War, and what the benefit we get, huh? War, a food it say, lock up a Rastafari. Bring them in dead or alive, and never one with fi survive, huh? Now everything you hear you can't believe. Even if the person that said it was me. Do a little research for yourself and see. Open a book or watch a documentary.
Get
Life
them,
and death,
Kenny.
what the trend. Walter Rodney said it best. Once the master is educated, then unstoppable we get. So you see, illiteracy is not an accident. It's precisely why we fight amongst ourselves. I know they not gonna teach you this at school, no.
Get them,
Oh,
Kenny.
you don't know what so Jamaica rule, no. And anytime you try to make a move, yo, it gon' be like you have something to prove, yo. You coulda graduated and set your future. And still I feel you look out for the shooter. If you a woman, you a get abused, you know she say nothing, no they fi do, no.
Yeah man, Urban Boys production, I reach out to the youth them. Yeah, serious, this one is serious.
DJ Kenny uptown.
The way you're shooting up the place, you boy. Come on now. Control your gun finger. Oh boy, control your trigger finger. Yeah man, Urban Boys production, I reach out to the youth them. Yeah, serious, this one is serious.
DJ Kenny, you hear the mix out?
The way you're shooting up the place, you boy. Come on now. control your gun finger. Rude boy, control your trigger finger. You hear me? Control your gun finger. Rude boy, control your trigger finger. You hear me? Control your gun finger. Rude boy, control your trigger finger. You hear me? Control your gun finger. Rude boy, control your trigger finger. Boy, if you feel bad, go face the slave master. But remember the consequences for a murder. All of you that down under mental trap. All of you them look on the style as black. Some a laugh and a giggle when black a kill black. It hurt my heart, so I want it to stop. So I'm calling to the youths and from the mountain top, who going around said them busting up the Glock. Boy, control your gun finger. Oh boy, control your trigger finger. You hear me? Control your gun finger. Oh boy, control your trigger finger. Come on now, control your gun finger. Oh boy, control your trigger finger. You hear me? Control your gun finger. Oh boy, control your trigger finger. Boy, don't point your gun on the next sufferer. Don't hype yourself on the next prisoner. You will live long if you follow the order. Don't go around and disrespect the elders, and they will push you out, boy, if you're not here. Give you RP like couple of your friend. Mark and John, you know the police kill them. Harry and Tom, you know the police want them. Boy, control your gun finger. Rude boy, control your trigger finger. You hear me? Control your gun finger. Rude boy, control your trigger finger. Come on now, control your gun finger. Rude boy, control your trigger finger. You hear me? Control your gun finger. Rude boy, control your trigger finger.
Living in a Babylon no easy.
DJ Kenny Uptown,
where every man have a burden to carry. No. Say it's more like a spiritual journey. Everyone fending for himself. They don't care about no one else. So if you gotta stay alive, then you gotta be strong inside. Better heed to the word of the wise. You gotta strive for what is right. Yeah. Let me tell you something, say I got alone. That protect I and I in a Babylon road. Let me tell you something, say I Jah alone. Can defend I and I in a pagan zone. Let me tell you something, say I got alone. That protect I and I in a Babylon road. Let me tell you something, say I Jah alone.
It gets so hard in the street, tough in the street, no love on the street, yeah. I bring the gun in the street, blood a run in the street, corruption to the street, yeah. These days, got to be careful. Mankind, yes, so ungrateful. Give some people your loss and them still best with you. Sorry if you mark it down, you don't right you. Turn off sticker on you, you just spite you. Friend a kill friend, and that me see you go and lay. This modern dance I think it's so shaky. Love but talk with you and yes, no rating. People so hard in the street, tough in the street, no love none in the street, yeah. I'll be a gun in the street, blood a run in the street, corruption for the street, yeah. People so hard in the street, tough in the street, no love none in the street, yeah. I'll be a gun in the street, blood a run in the street, corruption for the street, yeah. These days, they're so competitive, power struggle, the main objective. Mr. Lessie and Mr. Badman get so active. Seems some frame of mind sometimes is not collective. Great vision have been lost for material to pass. Man can share your criticize you as you pass. You're educated, full of graduate, total class. Where is it good on this corner, yes? It is so hard in the street, tough in the street, no love none in the street, yeah. I'll be a gun in the street, brother run in the street, corruption for the street, yeah. It is so hard in the street, so tough in the street, no love none in the street, yeah. I'll be a gun in the street, brother run in the street, corruption for the street, yeah. A lot of people hear my voice and a vibe flow. Enough people hear me song and love I know. One mission, major. You have people who believe, not the talent we got. When they make the sound, them essential. People who believe, want to sit up on the top on the stage and no one will stop. People who believe, treat them a chat. Say my voice sweet like carrot, sugar in a dot. Anything but story of a shot. Have to put a song on the chart. People who believe, not the strength of we got. The ones who believe, so the journey never stop. We believe, so the struggle soon stop, soon can't come down. You are with God. I am grind, strength inside, in fighting all this time. Achieve the greatness in myself to overcome adversities. So even when I'm tired and feel like giving up, something never stop trying. One day the door of the fly, people will believe. Not the talent for the God. When they make the sound, them say chat. People will believe. One for sit up on the top on the stage and no one will stop. People will believe. Treat them a chat. Say my voice sweet like carrot, sugar in a dot. Anything the story of a shot. Have to put a song on the chart. I believe. Always want to see a brighter side of me. Encouragement again.
I got to stand firm, yeah. Strange things they bring in the pain, yeah. I guess I suppose that them I confirm them. The system is hard, but all me know say Babylon is over.
So what's the link of?
Yes, I see judgments rising up, it's out there, oh yeah. My people no watch no facing no cause we are sent for born pagan, yeah. Cause even in Africa people are scared. That's why them a get rid of the conflict. Men, this is judgment rising up, it's out there, oh yeah. And contemplating we bless. It all so cold, there's plus dirt in your face. Cause if you drop a dot when getting up, you better make case, or else your foe gonna step in your space. And if you can't keep up the kids, it's gonna step in your place. Cause it's a game with the filthy rich win. You pay, it's a one from African people where slaves. Take your precaution, I send you can't save. Yes, I see judgment rising up, it's out there, oh yeah. My people don't watch no facing no cause we are sent people on pagan, yeah.
How can I explain to you, baby?
There's no dictionary in the world that I can find.
Few words can't explain. So I wanna song for you. From the bottom of my heart, I just wanna say I love you, girl, yeah.
Girl, you're pretty like a bed of roses. First out of the morning dew.
DJ Kenny Reggae. No, he means
friend like the sun that converts in morning. Yeah, that's so beautiful like you.
How can I explain to you, baby?
There's no dictionary in the world that I can find.
Few words can't explain. So I write a song for you. From the bottom of my heart, I just wanna say
Excuse me, miss, what's your name? Can I be your sunshine in the rain? Smile so different, not the same. Beautiful energy, I entertain. Gonna be the safe space on your brain. I give you joy, no need to complain. And I like to know the things that make you smile, baby. Is that okay? Let me know when you're ready. Come on, come on, come on, come on, girl. You know I'll be waiting. Come on, girl. Yeah. In my arms, this is the place that you belong. Long as you're there with me ready to keep you warm. Living in love, we connect it up, we carry on. Can you?
girl, you got me going in. Take your time, let love begin. Because it's alright now. Let me take you further, let me take you higher now. You got me going in. Take your time, let love begin. Because this all I know.
Jamaica on the white warm sand.
DJ Kenny Uptown.
Sipping on a juice and I get a suntan.
Is it?
If you're thinking I'm a tourist, I'm a West Indian.
Part of the Big Jan.
Born in England and a true African. I'm gonna take it cool for a day. Just feel the waves. Take time for myself to release and orchestrate. I've been working real hard. Now I'm tired and worn. Ain't no buts or maybes. For this I've been waiting long. Now we're cooling in Jamaica on the white warm sand. Sipping on a cocoa and I get a suntan. If you're thinking I'm a tourist, I'm a West Indian.
Part of the Asian.
Born in England and a true African. Life full of greatness. It's wasted if tasted. Yes, I might punch the clock, but still find time to rock. I found my solution to this stress and pollution. I'll go have some fun under the blue skies and sun now. Now we're cooling in Jamaica on the white warm sands. Sipping on a juice and I get a suntan. If you're thinking I'm a tourist, I'm a West Indian.
Part of the Asian.
Born in England and that true African.
Oh, oh. Dedicate this to you. You are my only boo. I'm gonna make reservation for two. Oh, oh. Thanks to my ex. Thanks to your ex. If it wasn't for them, the two of us would never make. Oh, oh. Thanks to my ex. Thanks to your ex. If it wasn't for them, the two of us would never make. Oh, oh. Never forget the day when you walk out of my life. It hurt me so bad, but me never did cry. They hold it like a chica, it's a part of life. It was a blessing in disguise. Until left, when she left, met the two of us connect. The first day we met, we instantly connect. Your energy and your frequency are the realest. My girl, you are the sweetest. Oh, oh. Thanks to my ex. Thanks to your ex. If it wasn't for them, the two of us would never make. Oh, oh. Thanks to my ex. Thanks to your ex. If it wasn't for them, the two of us would never make. You're compatible, reliable, you are one of a kind. It's like a breath of fresh air, it's like the sun that shine. Every day of the week, you're there on my mind. Love when you grip me with the muscle, when you pour out the wine. Ready me 19 crimes, me give you 19 times. Me love the thing that touch when you're in the arms of mine. It's like a blessing from above, they can't stop this shine. Make sure you come over tonight. Oh, oh. Thanks to my ex. Thanks to your ex.
Get them, Kenny.
It wasn't for them, the two of us would never make. DJ Kenny. Oh, oh. Thanks to my ex. Thanks to your ex. If it wasn't for them, the two of us would never make. Oh, oh.
I was a one-night man on a one-night stand. Tell this a girl, now make no plans. All I want was a one-night stand.
DJ Kenny, slap some in the ears. No.
I was a one-night man on a one-night stand.
Out of many, here's one DJ Kenny. Bodies.
Tell this a girl, now make no plans. All I want was a one-night stand. Rip and run off as fast as I can. No one no love nor no emotion. Not the kind that I second down man. Nobody try to change me operation, but the girl still a persist. Right now she just hard to resist. She get harder harder, hard to resist. She have me under pressure. Harder, harder, hard to resist. The girl no push over. Harder, harder, hard to resist. She have me under pressure. Harder, harder, hard to resist. The girl no push over. Me know say me have bad intention, but the goal was my destination. Now we look like she hatched up a plan, sinking faster than me in quicksand. So tell me what's wrong. It look like she mash up my one night plan. No matter what, she still a persist. Right now she just hard to resist. She gets harder, harder, hard to resist. She have me under pressure. Harder, harder, hard to resist. The girl no push over. Harder, harder, hard to resist. She have me under pressure. Harder, harder, hard to resist. The girl no push over.
It's Bounty Killer and Reggae Ginjah. The ladies are filled with passenger. DJ Kenny, Ginjah, my girl, turn up Kenny. The feeling's DJ Kenny uptown.
Baby, I love you.
DJ Kenny, man, know Sarah Smurda, King Alpha, when me dance Zion.
Baby, I love you. Baby, you think turn up on your feet, so right. You think turn up on your clothes, so tight. Baby, you think turn up on your feet, so right. You think turn up on your clothes, so tight.
Hey, alright. Hey, yo, me queen royal, straight up, she way up, no makeup. Pretty skin and face up, pretty pics full page up. Like a dream, the beauty still lingers when she wake up. With the back of compliments, me have the full and face up. We feel locked down, your extravagance make some of them look up down. Girl, your shape it suit me at we and a man down. And you're a kiss from me, my kiss for you at random. You turn up like value.
Baby, you think turn up on your feet, so right.
Turn up.
You think turn up on your clothes, so tight. Baby, you think turn up on your feet, so right. You think turn up on your clothes, so tight. Come make me water your liquor pretty flowers. Yes, say you link with Amber and tell your powers. Roots find a bus in a me 18 of the hours. Man stand tall just like the Twin Towers. To make you dance all the salsa. Nicky you full length and never quarter. And if I love you, you get brighter. Every time we touch, you get sweeter. Baby, you think turn up on your feet, so right. You think turn up on your clothes, so tight. Baby, you think turn up on your feet, so right. You think turn up on your clothes, so tight.
Alright, hey yo, me queen royal, straight up, she way up, no makeup. Pretty skin and face up, pretty pics full page up. Like a dream, the beauty still lingers when she wake up. With the back of compliments, me have the full and face up. We feel locked down, your extravagance make some of them look up down. Girl, your shape it suit me at we and a man down. And you're a kiss from me, my kiss for you at random. You turn up like value.
Baby, you think turn up on your feet, so right. You think turn up on your clothes, so tight. Baby, you think turn up on your feet, so right. You think turn up on your clothes, so tight. Baby, you think turn up.
DJ Kenny crazy.
System ya intend we make you ball and make you beg. Now there's a war and blood a shed, so duck and crawl under your bed. Cause man afraid to bust them gun till barrel burn until it done. That's how we live in day to day. I just don't see no other way. And though the evil on display, catch us stray when AK spray. 3-head flyway on one scene, 2 more gone over Poppy. Why would people suffer so? What they see is what they know. No need to flee, no mercy show. And want to flee, nowhere to go.
It depends on what you
make it on the news. The system is rough. Everybody wicked and tough. Every man want like I want shoes. Good or bad, no man no want lose. The system is rough. Everybody wicked and tough. Yeah. System ya design to make the people lose their mind. Just to live man turn to crime. Take your things and make them mine. 38 in my waist. Point that up straight in your face. In a shootout with police. Killed 2 store owner last week. Circumstances gave no choice. So don't play around with your life. Harder hearing not talk twice. Silencer don't make no noise. Any day could be my last. And the worst shall come to pass. But until then man will just be the baddest man that them can be. It depends on what you choose. To make it out or make it on the news. The system is rough. Everybody wicked and tough. Every man want like I want shoes. Good or bad, no man no want lose. The system is rough. Everybody wicked and tough. It start get normal, it start get secular. Then no partial, you coulda better than America. Coulda up class, middle class or a regular. You will get it quicker than a call by your cellular. Group on WhatsApp, pull up your contract. First man see it, well you know why I'ma grab that. Happiest man we have a gun in him knapsack. And you nah know till you this man him grab that. Fools said that them can't clip them wing. Acting like them know everything. Sleepless nights, protecting your king. A quick one reach, your right as in blink. Element of surprise, commander disguise. Approach from behind and protect them life. So set up before you meet your demise. The system has set me to lose them like implements, man.
Emperor Selassie.
DJ Kenny Reggae Mix Jan, King Alpha.
Them should know what is full desire. If we should go back in the world, we're not sure but in Babylon, we're mighty kings and queens. Use the laws of mercy, Zion, let us back in. We are going to show the Almighty Trinity. We don't let Zion go again. After we were lazy, we were such a fool to ever leave Zion. Searching in churches for what we were born with inside. Do not cry, people, our ancestors could not dream night. Still mama prayers been answered, and now we're Zion home again. We need Zion more like an heartbeat. Almighty Papa, you're the very breath we breathe. Almighty Papa, we never forget. Almighty Ashwa, Marcus Empress Lassie, I need you, need me. Can I teach you? Please teach me. Unified love, love, perfect harmony. There's nothing less we will do to regain this revival when nothing give us true. Ancestors died, they cried in a lie. I gave it all of God to regain and sustain this new anointing. Yes, I am more like the Lord beats. Almighty Papa, you're the very breath I breathe. Almighty Papa, we never forget. Almighty Ashwa, Marcus Empress Lassie, need you, need me. Can I teach you? You can teach me. Unified power, love, perfect harmony. That likes the Trinity, I love the gates of Zion, and all they do enough to wake up, nursing and smoking, almighty Orchid, if you're rooted in Zion and you love the conquered lion, say oh. We're glad for the balance, Alpha and Omega, say oh. DJ Kenny. Is you and me have to save the children, stop Babylon from killing them. Oh. Hey.
music killer. We aspire to inspire all the time. That's the desire. With the soul of fire.
DJ Kenny, you hear the mix sound?
Well,
steep are the valleys between the mountains of life.
Sing us up to the time.
Don't be of weakness. Stand up and fight. Deep are the oceans controlling the tide. I was born as a rebel. Nothing,
All kind of represent for DJ.
Children of the Most High. Oh, we so wicked to each other on the earth. We make Father God and him angels cry. Judgement stars are go fall from the sky. Mrs. Soldiers deployed and they all left to die. Get to use, no get no boy. All when them double qualify. When them pull out application and them apply, them still get denied and to them call you no reply. Steep are the valleys between the mountains of life. Don't be of weakness. Stand up and fight. Deep are the oceans controlling the tides. I was born as a rebel. Rodney Basil Price.
Youth and youth.
Ragga, yeah.
Don't be a devil recruit.
King Shango alongside, bound to kill alongside.
See, you can find the truth.
Can't get panic.
Salute. Well, the king of Kingston, pure love me bring. Come run all the youths, them fi put down the big gun. No wicked men can't enter Jah kingdom. You know they get the young them since it them like a syndrome. We chant the psalms and we beat the cat a big jump. Could the righteous the Eden want fi bring down. See them frost out and whole heap and them go drink from. Gears out them tears, then a grudge we income. See some a shake and me see say some a swing now. Them not nothing but like fish them a swim yo. We not go out how we never ever been. Connects tell them that from the beginning yo.
We rock stone solid from then till now. Go check the streets of Kingston from east to Waterhouse. Whoa, Jah rock stone solid.
Solid.
Yeah, the man say. King of Kingston rock them all the willings from Jah rock stone solid.
Solid.
Whoa, solid.
Yo, tell them the king of Kingston where you the starter. Tell them so the book where them a read where you the author. Babylon have them under mental torture. Only love alone can save them from disaster. To them lack of knowledge, that's why them never smarter. And them never make the street be them alma mater.
DJ Kenny,
the tune we send it no pay. Yeah, but this you a deal with it no pay. Don't man alone to trade points and not that concrete. No. And not tell me say you're not left your strap a street. And not talk about say how your Glock a do it. Them go drink and junk and go drop asleep. Never know say that the soldiers and the copper bleach. And who not drop a dirt them end up and sell black a people, right? But this who a deal with that no pay. Yeah, some end up behind the bars and some end up on the
We
pay.
rock stone solid from then till now.
Forever.
Go check the streets of Kingston from east to Waterhouse. Whoa, Jah rock stone solid.
Get them on side.
King of Kingston rock them all the willings from Jah rock stone solid. Whoa, solid.
Stand firm.
Yeah.
DJ Kenny, music my life is.
2365 trapping at the yard. Fresh up out the lockdown, back up on the road. Who put in the work, a time for reap no reward. All who did encourage me, keep me in on them thoughts. My regards to you, hope for you the same. Bless you when you're out in the streets I operate. Them to fly the gate and make me drop in LA. Trinidad I call, yeah that I'm a family. Is a word where me no really use so much again. Some among just wishing you harm anyway.
DJ Kenny
anything
uptown.
your intuition say you feel listen.
DJ
Cause you
Kenny
dey wrong.
uptown.
No funny. Still I love you, see the whole of we they are different.
DJ Kenny
so you know
uptown.
we clean and we are no pretend. In a time I need a really who can you depend? Are you alone?
Always keep a smile.
Get them, Kenny.
So this the child. Only things we see. Possibility. So this light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Bright as it can be.
Simple design.
life in this wretched place, where they celebrate when you on your face. Just give me faith, beg you keep me patient, so I appreciate what they on my plate. I never seek no validation, go my ways no participate. I never stray, keep my vision straight, so that's why you not go see me with none of them. Cause them we take you for a fool and then left you for egg. Things say who no cool but in them heart, them against. Careful how you move and who you choose to represent. Cause you don't know who are friend. Still I love you, see the whole of we they are defend. So you know we clean in our way heart, no pretend. In a time I need a really, who can you depend? Are you alone?
Always keep a smile. Blessed is the child. All these things you see, possibility. So this light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Bright as it can be.
Hey, Father Emma,
we in the struggle, but we still surviving. Got them we kill you just for a Nike. They don't want to see youths rising, and if we make it out, sure them don't like
Kenny.
it. See where we come from. No. People don't think they can live what they want. Whoa, but leave it to me, and I'ma prove them all wrong.
They tell you say them no real. These guys how them feel. Your mother tell you say if you not here you go feel. Now you're behind bars and not go get no appeal. Find out the lawyer work for them and know you not get no deal. Crab in a barrel mentality. Them want we pull you down like gravity. Me have to keep my sanity, but them no know so me have my strategy. No.
We in the struggle, but we still surviving. Got them we kill you just for a Nike. They don't want to see youths rising, and if we make it out, sure them no like it. See where we come from. People don't think they can live what they want. But leave it to me, and I'ma prove them all wrong. The struggle really never make that worry me yet. Empty barrel make the nice, but the money we make. Jah be my light in the dark when me a touch the street. Hear the lie with them attack, but me no believe them. Defy the odds, as some mean. Get the youth wake up and go for dream. Slowness so we no get nothing free no. Protoje we lead out. We in the struggle but we still surviving. Got them we kill you just for a Nike. They don't want to see you rising, and if we make it out, sure them no like it. Yeah. See where we come from. People don't think they can live what they want. But leave it to me, and I'ma prove them all wrong.
I ain't giving no answers. I ain't giving no handouts. Please don't drain my energy. I don't know your agenda. DJ Kenny, you're invading my space. Too much mix up and blend. DJ Kenny, please don't drain my energy. Please don't drain my energy. Please don't drain my energy. Please don't drain my energy.
DJ Kenny, when you know Sarah's murder, KK King Alpha.
Please don't drain my energy. DJ Kenny, don't drain my energy. Please don't drain my energy.
Me no know where you depend. Me no know where you reckon, but don't ever breathe for a minute or a second. That I got anything you do on my mind. Busy with my own focus, me up on the grind. Gotta get my own, gotta set my home intact. Can't waste time, cause you never get that back. I feel read for the bag, so me get that stack. No accept, no feel, let me dip on track. So please no bother me, we the longest chat. And I drain my energy because that is work. A piece of mind, you know that's where my head is at. Yeah, solve your problem, you know where that at. What's me done, tell me girls, I'm feeling in the morning. Yes, my darling. Some don't got no time for no problem solving.
I ain't giving no handouts. Move up onto my face. I ain't giving no answers. Please don't drain my energy. I don't know your agenda. You're invading my space. Too much mix up and blender. Please don't drain my energy. 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 One more time, let me say it again. DJ Kenny Uptown.
This love is so true.
Is it?
Say me no same fake friends. They don't really stress. They wanna use us strength. They wanna see your weekend. Fight for your loving like say I be Mandela. Working for the military, I can be a soldier.
Hey DJ Kenny, that's what you present. No joke, no laugh, no laugh.
This love is so true.
Say me no same fake friends. They don't really stress. They wanna use us strength. They wanna see your weekend. Fight for your loving like say I be Mandela. Working for the military, I can be a soldier. Whenever it's raining, girl, I'll be your umbrella. Keep the fire burning, girl, I'll take you out of danger. Fight for your loving like say I be Mandela. Working for the military, I can be a soldier. Whenever it's raining, girl, I'll be your umbrella. Keep the fire burning, girl, I'll take you out of danger. I'll be a senior man, I'm a winner man. I'm not the boogie man, so baby what I want, I can do what I want, I can go where I want. Cause I'll be senior man, cause I'll be senior man. Yeah, I'll be a senior man, I'm a winner man. I'm not the boogie man, so baby what I want, I can do what I want, I can go where I want. Cause I'll be senior man, cause I'll be senior man. Yeah,
Let them hold you down or slow you down. King man, rise up and adjust your crown. Cause I cannot do without your loving of my life. Stay close to the frequency. Cause you have my heart and soul like carpets roll. Witnessing the magnificence unfold. Stories untold, keep striving, don't fold. Just stay right here beside me. Yeah, cause I'm a good woman. I need a loyal man. No, not a waste man. Expensive taste man. We can go where you want. We can do what you want. Just give me what I want. Cause only you me want.
Say me no same fake friends. They don't really stress. They wanna use us strength. They wanna see your weekend. Fight for your loving like say I be Mandela. Working for the military, I can be a soldier. Whenever it's raining, girl, I'll be your umbrella. Keep the fire burning, girl, I'll take you out of danger. Fight for your loving like say I be Mandela. Working for the military, I can be a soldier. Whenever it's raining, girl, I'll be your umbrella. Keep the fire burning, girl, I'll take you out of danger. I'll be a senior man, I'm a winner man. I'm not the boogie man, so baby what I want, I can do what I want, I can go where I want. Cause I'll be senior man, cause I'll be senior man. Yeah, I'll be a senior man, I'm a winner man. I'm not the boogie man, so baby what I want.
Out of many, there's one DJ Kenny, but
Cause I'll be senior man, cause I'll be senior man.
They say the sun and I shine for all.
Bam 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 bam. Hey DJ
But
Kenny,
I am some people world. You never shine at all.
These roads of flames are catching a fire. Showed you I love you, you call me a liar. Oh no, 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 no. Baby, tell me where you gone. I've been feeling for your love so long. We can praise Jah in the moonlight. Baby, if you with me, better do right. And I've been gone too long, and I'm hoping that you sing my song, my song. I've been on this road for way too long.
DJ Kenny crazy. No, he insane.
These roads of flames are catching a fire. Showed you I love you,
there's one DJ Kenny, but
give Jah the thanks and praises. I've been on my own, but we ain't never left alone. And if I'm telling you the feeling is wrong, relax a little, friend, this won't take too long. And when you're feeling alone,
DJ Kenny, you know it got already in a must represent.
Call my phone. Is there a better way to go?
DJ Kenny,
teach them something before they lose their soul. Oh no, 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 freedom is the road. Oh no, 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 coming in from the cold. Tell them not to sell it, it's worth more than gold.
DJ Kenny uptown.
Uptown, where more than one is gathered in his name. The Most High is in the midst.
DJ Kenny,
let Jah be praised continually.
Am I like this?
Yeah.
Thank you, Jah, you rise me now the man.
Yo, DJ Kenny.
Nicely, where more than one is gathered in his name.
Yo,
the Most High is in the midst. Let Jah be praised continually.
Get them, Kenny.
Yeah. DJ Kenny Uptown.
Thank you, Jah, you rise me now the morning. Oh yes, you keep me sheltered like a awning. You keep my limbs and all my organs them performing. Oh Jah, you patient with me, keep me warm, you're charming.
There goes the rain again. Here comes the sun shining through. What more can I do but thank you, Lord? Oh, I'm so blessed to feel the morning dew. Birds are singing while the sky is blue. What more can I do but thank you, Lord? Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Light unto my feet, lamp unto my path. Bless your soul, bless my heart. Without your mercy, I would be distraught. Thanks in all that I do. Your mercy surround us, just like the rainbow. Trust in Jah love, if you never know. Jah love is true, it is sure. I don't want you to know, it is pure.
DJ Kenny,
just like the
Here goes the rain again. Here comes the sun shining through. What more can I do but thank you, Lord? I'm so blessed to feel the morning dew. Birds are singing, yes, the sky is blue.
What more can I do but thank you, Lord?
The promise us house, the promise us land, the promise us the world, the promise us millions. And I know them still can't give us one. So why are we still voting? Come on now, my people, we're joking. Promise us riches, they promise us wealth. Them sister we don't, so them promise us help. And all the years we sick and them can't fix we health. So why are we still voting? Come on now, my people, we're joking. I don't care who me wanna fight, cause I am a victim and them system alright. The microphone is my platform and this is poor people's voice. Why all once every 4 years them want to be nice? Oh liar, God know it's liar. Me know you know what I want, you know what you do. I know just one set of people, everybody hurt. More money you make but the country getting worse. Instead of driving forward, we are driving reverse. Oh, all them lies you tell me, you don't know it hurt me. Me have my receipts, so you need to reimburse me. You even make me question Jah if him curse with, but only him alone can live no way on the church pass. The promise us house, the promise us land, the promise us the world, the promise us millions. And I know them still can't give us one. So why are we still voting?
DJ Kenny,
promise us riches, they promise us wealth. Them sister we don't, so them promise us help. And all the years we sick and them can't fix we health. So why are we still voting? Come on now, my people, we're joking.
DJ Kenny crazy.
My mother tell me her mother got through it before she born. So come we still going through this long after she gone. Them we use you till you now no use before them done. Them said them a go help you but only bring trouble come. Them only think about you when them need favor. Stop praise them not no savior. Promise us house, they promise us land, they promise us the world, they promise us millions. And I know them still can't give us one. So why are we still voting? Come on. King Selassie, I hold ya. Rastafari about ya. Prince Emmanuel, hold ya. Jah children about ya. Yes. People me know no fed up.
You told them I'm gonna squeeze up, but you're stepping on my toes. Already win the war, even if the battle close. A lot today to accomplish, that's what you need to prove. We all have a choice, so the W me shows. Them can't get we out because we in already. Before we even play the game, yeah, we win already. Me and my ingredients, so my dinner ready. I just a crown, fi collect, cause man a king already. Rastafari about ya, bout ya, bout ya, bout ya, bout ya. Prince Emmanuel out ya, out ya, out ya, out ya, out ya. That children about ya, bout ya, bout ya, bout ya, bout ya.
To be somebody was my heart's desire. Someone never stops and no prior. No way. Probably was the youth with the worst attire. Back in our school I sing pan choir. No pain. From the day my life begun, and a little bit of tears run. Everybody have them own story. This one is for all who want give up and done. Yeah. I've been there before. Well, if I fight, we fight. Would I need 1,000 books to write? Yeah. I've been there before. Everything I go alright. Remember the darkest part of the night is just before daylight. Yeah. Some fight on. Strongest turn me to a man. Tell me where time gone. Still I try calm. My category 5-star. My earthquake and fire, but I fire keep my light on. Now no food in the plate, but we buy can. Cause me just don't feel safe. Where I ban, me have the courage. Now me heart mixed with the right song. Me learn to flourish. Now the dark me keep my mind strong. Yes I can, yes I can achieve anything with the right plan. Hard for moving like a mountain where I stand. A better life for my fam. DJ Kenny Mix. I've been there before. Well, if I fight, we fight. Would I need 1,000 books to write? Yeah. I've been there before. Everything I go alright. Remember the darkest part of the night. Just before daylight.
Yeah, man, reggae vibes are gonna dance, man. I'm any more, man. Yeah, man, New York's finest, your Royal Highness. But check out that one, your brand new music as this.
Yeah. Baby, it's you, baby, it's you. You alone and only you. Believe me, it's true. When I say I do, it's you. Hey man, I used to date this girl. I thought she was so fly. Till the lie detector test determined that was a lie. Hey shorty, are you kidding? Is that how you treat a guy? Shorty tried to play me over, had to say bye-bye. When she broke my heart to pieces, I thought I was gonna die. And then you came along and then you lift me to the sky. And I thought, what the heck, why don't I give it a try? Cause you're nothing like the